Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel, how to slice AutoCAD 3D models with SelfCAD software. For example, in here I have this simple 3D models. We create this model with AutoCAD, and next I will slice this object with the SelfCAD software, and we can do 3D printing. Okay, first you can open your 3D models, and we can save as this object into STL extension. You can click in here, okay, a icon, and then click export. Next you can click other formats. Okay, for file types in here you can change into STL extension, and you can give name. For example, I will give name model 1. You can save. Okay, select this object. You can enter to apply. You can close this AutoCAD software, and we can create a new project in SelfCAD software. You can click here to create a new project. Okay, after we create, we can import the last object. You can click files and then click import. Okay, next you can search for your files. This for the last 3D object, model 1, and you can click open. Okay, and it will be automatically import into this SelfCAD software. You can rotate this object by clicking this icon, rotate. Okay, I will rotate in right axis 90 degree. Okay. You also can edit this object, like you can use a deform to skew or modify or another tools in this SelfCAD software. To slicing this object, you can click in 3D print tools. You can click in here 3D print. First you can select your 3D print type, like in here. Okay, you can click plus icon, and you can search your 3D printing in here. If you don't see 3D printings in this option, you can click in other FDM printer, and you can set up for your plate dimension in here, and for width plate save in here. Okay, you can click save to use these settings. Okay, we're using ANET A12, and I can see the option in this list. So ANET A12 is like Corel CR10, so I will use this printer type. And for quality, you can set in here, like you can set into extra fine, okay, or you can set into fine. This for default fine, and for materials you can change in here. You can change with ABS type, or CPA, or PLA. Okay, this is for PLA. And quality for height you can set in here. Okay, for wall thickness or seals in 3D printer, infill and materials in here for temperature. Okay, if you use ABS, you will be using this temperature to 130 degree, or if you use PLA, you can set into 210. Okay. You also can set again for speed and for width plate addition. If you already set these settings, you can click generate code, G-code. Okay, and we got this top preview for 3D prints. In here you can see print time in 2 minutes for this 3D objects, and material less than a meter, and weight less than a gram. Okay, this first printing, we can create this build plate adhesion type. You can change in here for adhesion type, like a brim. Okay, this for brim. Okay, with full. Okay, or another type for adhesion. For default, we use a skirt adhesion. This for skirt. For a flow in 3D printings, in the top view, you can click in here and move to the top. This is the flow printings in a printer. Okay, until 2 minutes. Okay, now you can save these settings. You can click in here, save code, and then you can move this file into your removable drive, and you can ready print these 3D models. Okay, enough today how to slash AutoCAD 3D models with SelfCAD software. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial.